Tuesday, December 8th, 2020, and the market is overall red. However, gold is up and oil is down. We have two big runners this morning in pre-market. I haven't traded any of them yet in a small account or large account because I'm trying to wait until the market is about to open. So I missed some profits that I probably could have had this morning, but it happens sometimes. With that being said, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see and showing you how I trade by giving you videos to watch what I do. However, never follow what I do because I am not the end all tell all, and I'm also not a registered broker. I'm just a person on the internet who likes trading stocks and likes showing my strategy. People like me who one point in time not able to trade stock, didn't know what I was doing, and need a little bit of guidance. So this morning, C, hold on, sorry, CRIS is up over daggone 200% this morning, and it's not even the market open yet. If you look on the left right here, you'll see yesterday it closed at 144. It's now 541 currently on that candle it's looking at. Crazy run up overnight. And yes, it had news. If you look right here, you can see that news came out this morning at 7 a.m. and more news. So for anybody who watched the news this morning, you see back here at 7 o'clock, that's the move right there. It went up, pulled back. This is probably the head on the head and shoulders. Probably gonna pull back to here. We'll see for possible another jump and then probably dip. I'm not gonna guess, but that's what I see so far. If you look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart, you'll see it's on a straight incline. However, the EMA is at 440. The VWAP is at 432. And if you know by now, if a stock is oversold or overbought, it must always retrace the VWAP. 100% must always happen. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. So we have 20 seconds left till the market opens. I'm going to trade my share size. Again, it's my small account, so it's not a bunch of money in here I want to trade. However, I trade 100 to maybe 400 shares for anyone who interested. I'll show you those trades. So here we are, level 2, 3 seconds. Let's watch for this first move right here at the gate. It might hold on volatility. Let's see. If it pops 564, I'll hop in for a quick scalp. But I'm looking for a pullback. See what happens right here for a possible halt on volatility. 281% pre-market. That's crazy. I don't think I've seen in a while a stock up 200% pre-market. It must pop the high day if I hop in it. I'm going to watch it for a minute. Hopefully it pull back a little bit. Matter of fact, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to chase it. See this right here? That's a 448 daggone EMA. It's way overextended. Straight incline. It has to pull back. So I'm watching the first 5-minute candle before I buy anything. And at that point, I'm going to decide if I buy in or not. If I miss money, so be it. Let me go back here and add in some daggone. Yeah, I'm missing money, but it's okay. That pullback it happens, it's going to be vital. It's going to destroy everybody who's trying to chase it right now. It is the way it is. Now, I will trade it on my large account because I can buy way more shares. That's the only time I trade a stock like this that's overextended. If I can buy more shares and therefore get me 10 or 15 cents, won't really affect me. You know what I mean? Stop. Let's see. All right, BFT. Look at that pullback. See that? It's at 530. Way overextended. That's why I didn't buy, because it's way overextended. Come on, bro. You can't inbox me. Man. COCP. Ford making the move right here. APA. ET. HTBX. INPX. WWR. What we got? CLF. I got that already? Nope. See, look right here. 5-minute chart. See this curvature down? See this dark green? This is consolidation. Here's the high point, 590. It wasn't that strong though. So technically, the breakout point is 548. You can't really count this small little dot right there, but I'm going to watch it for a minute. If it breaks that point again, I'm going to hop in. That's a very large sell bar though. So we're going to watch for a minute for the pullback. 526. Remember, the EMA is down here. Afraid that the EMA is here, the VWAP down here at 463. It must retrace back to the VWAP. This is a 60-cent pullback, that little mark right there. From here to here, what's that right now? A 60-cent pullback. So imagine being a person who bought it up here and chased it, right? It has a 58 million share float, 62 million shares traded at the very moment. I'm gonna watch it for a minute. Matter of fact, I'm making alert at I'm gonna watch it. I'm not gonna alert it because it's by far leading gapper in the day. No point in making alert on it. Get a nasty pullback right here for sure. First support level is going to be right here. Let me make it longer. Next support level is already in effect. Go across, you see the same point, right? Well, almost to the T. See that little wick on it? To the T. I'll draw it again. And then we got down here. Let's watch it for a minute. Not gonna buy it yet. Be careful with that. It must pull back. Look over here. Setter's taking over. We have 1 minute left for this candle. We got actually 3 seconds. Let's see what happens right here. Next candle. If it's green, I'm in it. We gotta pop that point though. All right, let's go. It popped the point and it pulled back on me. It's okay. We're going to touch high today again. So I need 56 cents, which would be 616. I bought in right here. So actually, not 616. It'd be 622. Sorry. Yeah, 622. Watch that move to 590. Let's cross 590. Maybe you can hold on volatility on the way up, right? My hand over here on the sell button, watching for that 590 breakthrough. $6 is imminent. I'm gonna go on my cell phone right quick and go in the group right quick and put my alert in there that $6 is gonna blow past it. I'm gonna say it again. I said it earlier. $6 on CRIS. Sorry, CRIS is imminent. All right, here we go. 590. Past $6. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's past $6. I take what the market gives me, right? 604, 607. Let's hold on volatility. Let's go. Hold on volatility. 616. My point is already reached. And I hop out there. Now I'm on my cell phone, trading that same stock in my large account. If I can log in again. It pulled back on me a little too much and I missed some profit. It happens sometimes. I don't like it, but it happened. So I am up 10 grand right now in crisis, CRIS, what you want to call it, in my large account. I'll take that all day. And I'm also up a little over 2 grand on CGIX. I take it all day as well. So I'm gonna my Highland trade from yesterday. I'm going to sell right now my HYLN trade from yesterday that I told you guys about. I'm up right now overall 17,200 bucks, but it's only going to show you guys today's trade. So I'm going to sell my Highland HYLN for profit right now. And then I'm going to go over here for F sale, which I'm still holding. It sucks that the fact that my stock didn't sell my point I wanted to sell at, but it's okay. I saw it pull back and I hopped out of it. I could have held a little while longer, but sometimes you got to get it and go. I put in the group earlier that $6 was imminent on CRIS, and it's already way past that. I can't even daggone hop in for another quick scalp. Where we at? I think it halted on. No, it didn't. So in the group right now, I'm going to post my CGIX trade, my CRIS trade, CRIS, and I'm going to post also my HYLN swing from overnight. I just traded CRIS again for a quick scalp of 40 more cents because I wanted some more money on it and hit my 0.711. I was holding off on that post until I got that point, but I'm there now. So I'm going to go back in the group again and re-screenshot this thing again and show you what I did on that. So we're going to do that. Wait, I don't want to do that. That's not the right screenshot. Hold on, let me go backwards. There we go. So that's this. That pullback gonna hurt some people, for sure, for sure. So in the group right now, you should see below my post I put in there $6 imminent on CRIS. Below that you'll see, wow, look at that pullback. You'll see my CRIS trade on my big account. And I put below that actually, this pullback is nasty because it must retrace the freaking VWAP. You saw I did earlier. I drew a line here for the breakout point, right? And I hopped in right above it. A little late to the party, but I hopped in above it. And I sold way too early. But I saw it pull back and I wanted more money. My large account. I could have held a little while longer. My small account. Remember you guys, I got more than one account. This is only for show you guys how to trade. So my money was in my large account. Yeah, I made 40 bucks. Good to go. But I wanted to make way more than that large account. So would you trade 40 bucks or 30,000? Right? I would. Let me go to this again. Make my screenshot. I guess I didn't save it on my Highland trade. Let me go here. I'm watching y'all. I'm trying to post the stuff in the group. I'm already done my small account trades already, so I'm only watching CRIS CRIS for this pullback because I know for a fact it's going to retrace this VWAP, which is way back here now at freaking 510. Let's watch it for a minute, see what happens right here. Did it halt? No, still moving. All right, let me go to the group. You see here, All right, refresh the screen. I'm watching the pullback over here. Perfect. This is a break point. Remember, if a stock runs, I'll say, if I had to guess, 80% of the time, it'll pull back half that volume, half that bar. So here we are. Let me go to my drawing tool right here and compare. So the top of this candle is 713, right? From here to the bottom is a, let me make it smaller, I can't really see it. Okay, it's not working the way it's supposed to right now. Here we go. From here to here is a $1.82 jump, right? So it should pull back. Hold on, I'm doing some news right now. Hold on, y'all. Okay, 91 cent back. So, which means 91 cent is actually right here. So it should move back to right here with 629. Let me go over here and draw a line through that point. 620 line is a half pullback, almost to a T. Look, we go 633. That's the half pullback. So 80% of the time is what it does. It pulls back half the price. If fall below this point, we got problems. Next point is down here. If it makes support out of this point, we should be A1. So I'm gonna go in group and say, down here on my CRIS trade, I'm gonna say 629 hello support, but if it breaks that point, then we are looking at a 510 VWAP. All right, let's see. My small account, I bought in at 560, sold at $66. Now I was way above $6, but I waited for the pullback a minute and I pushed the sell button and it filled what it filled at. What I'll do usually is I would put in the, look at that, I will put in the limit sell order, but because I'm on camera, you see all my account information. I don't want to do that. So I sold at market. But in a real life scenario, I put a market sale order, limit sale order in when I buy it. So if I bought it right here, I look at the upswing and I put in immediately a limit sale order up 10%. I can always click on here and drag it up down the axis, right? As long as this is checked, I can drag the price up and down the axis. So in a real life scenario, that's all I would do without a video. With a video, I'm gonna trade you market and I'm gonna sell market, right? Or I hop in limit before I make the video. That way you don't see me buy in, but I tell you the point and show you over here where I bought in at. Remember, I put in the group here a little while ago that 629, I think I said, what's the support level. If it breaks that, we got a level of hitting the VWAP, which is way back here at 510. To confirm that, I'm going to show you 629 may be support, but if it breaks that point, then we're looking at a 510 VWAP. I put it right there. And here we are now trying to make this point support. I'm going to go over to the next screen. You see my trade. So I basically end up walking away here with not quite what I wanted. However, I'll take it. So we're looking at 8%. Look over here at new row of CLPS. So before I buy it, I'm telling you guys first. So I'm gonna go back over here and watch the CLPS trade. I missed out on buying in. I was talking about CRIS so much. It's okay. So CLPS. Trying to hop in about 6:20 and then pop out at trying to hop in at 4:20 and then pop out at 4:50. Take what the market gives you. You know what I mean? Might create a new high. So let me go over here and tell you guys. Looking for a new high of day on this stock. And it, like clockwork, look at CRIS. CRIS made 629 support and popped back up. So with that being said, I'm hopping again for some more shares. Hold on, I'm trying to get my order straight. Trying to find a new high of day. So we're gonna hit it at here at 725 possibly. Maybe even more. Well, it's already there. It's already there. We need to hold on volatility. My sell order 750. Damn, it's already there. I can't even get my damn order in fast enough. But I'm trying to figure this out right quick. 750. Remember, $half marks are walls, right? Remember that. $half marks are walls. You break them walls, you gone. 740, 742, 748, 747. See 750 wall, keep hitting that 750 wall over and over again. $48, $46, $49, and here comes 50. Oh man, somebody shorting it. Let me go over here and watch this. What the current price at? 7. Somebody shorting it for sure. They shorting the hell out of it. Or taking profits. I think they shorting it. It's like up 300%. Where we at? Yeah, 400%. That's crazy. Let's see something for a minute. It's up 400%. Way overbought. Let me go to this point here. May touch $8 when it's all said and done. Let me go to this for a minute. Let me go up here and type in this thing may touch $8 shortly. It make you mad when you see, you sold your profits, took your profits early. It make you mad when you see it do that. However, we're not being greedy. I just want 10%. The large account I traded twice already, so that's okay. But the small account could have held a little while longer. Maybe a 650, 670 area. My goal beginning was 56 cents, and I got less than that. I only got 40, but can't get mad over that. If I bought more shares in the small account, say I bought 400 shares and I made 160, right? For 1,000 shares would make me $400, but I didn't do that. However, in a large account, I did that. If you look here, you'll see I did that, right? Video is time is 9:52 at 10 o'clock. I'm in the video. I'm not in anything right now. I was going to hop in this CRIS trade, but I couldn't get my buy-in point in fast enough, so I missed that. So we go look at Neuro, NURO. Neuro's not doing much, nothing right now. We have 14 million shares traded though. Did it have news this morning? Look at that. We had no news this morning, but it ran up. How does that happen, right? Keep an eye up here. So I'm gonna look back here at the last 180 days, 4 hours, and see what happened. If you look back here, you can see how long time frame is that. In June 14th, which is 6 months ago, right? I'm willing to bet you those are option calls getting ready to be closed, right? 6-month options, 180 days, coming close. Over here, they're going, draw a line right here. LXRX 266 target buy-in, support level is 242. I'm gonna draw that line. Over here, I'm gonna draw this high point of 620 back here, and we're gonna see what happens on the 20-day, 4-hour chart. It's stair stepping. Good, good, good. If you go to the 10-day, 30-minute, I'm gonna find support right here at 311. Then we're gonna find another support point, resistance point at 348. Another support level at 362. And the high of day is going to be 460 in the last 10 days. So we go to the 5-day, 15-minute chart and watch the direction. It's on a pullback. So I drew this earlier. Look at this channel is banging out. It's hitting that 466. It's pulling back. It touched it again right there. And it's going back up green. So the current buying candle is in effect. So I'm going to go in the group here and say, Neuro, look at this right here, going to $8. Look at this. Circle it. Neuro is in a bullish candle. Now you notice I won't say buy it. I will tell you that it's a bullish candle. If you buy it, that's on you. If you don't, that's also on you. So I'm in this trade for run to $8. So we see what happens right here on this freaking CRIS. I'm about to hop in as well. This Neuro trade I'm looking at right here. I'm out of CRIS right now. My point is reached. Neuro. Remember, I told you earlier, I buy at market or limit, and I always sell limit on my larger account. I don't never sell at market. Unless the stock is going parabolic and I know I get out of fast and it's on a pullback or halt on volatility, I hop out of it with the market. Other than that, my sell orders is almost always limit my large account. I say 90% of the time, my sell orders are limit my large account. Again, make this video, my info will be all disposed on the internet, and I don't want that to happen, so I won't hardly ever sell limit on camera. I'm very careful to make sure I don't do that. So I'm gonna go over here and say, looking for a possible 419 sell point. I just put point. Then here I would say 262 wall on LXRX. So looks like LXRX has a 262 wall. Now I'm also going to post beneath this my new profit. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to screenshot You know, actually, I'm about to sell. Now I get an overnight hold, right, on F sale. So I'm gonna sell it right now. Actually, yesterday I put in the group. I told you guys I was looking at F sale and HYLN for swing. I can go back and show you on camera if you want me to, but I called out a few stocks I was looking at for the next freaking few days or 3 weeks to trade. Hold on, let me cancel this right quick. Hold on. Let me screenshot this. I just saw ears pop up. I'm gonna go here right quick and look at my phone and see what ears doing before I say anything in the group. Looks like ears is moving with CRIS, so that's a good thing. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to maintain this right here as well. All right, let me go back to the group right quick through my cell phone, and I'm going to post. I'm going to post my most recent gain on FSale and CRIS. So I just put it in there. A couple seconds, it's going to pop up. There it is. Look here, you will see. There it is. 82,200 on CRIS. So I already saw it in my phone. I put it in the group. $8. See that pullback? It's nasty. Look over here. That point I told you guys as well. 262. It banged through it. And here we are right here. I put in there. Look at that wall, right? It's banging that wall, and it's blowing through it. Let's see what happens over there. Neuro. It's okay. CLPS is doing nothing. Ears is right here. On the stair step up. See that? Let me go to that's 5 day, right? Yeah. So it's moving upwards the way it's supposed to. Good, good, good. All right. So let me go back here for a minute and see what I'm doing on this freaking ears trade. So actually, let me go back a little bit. I am in ears at 285, and my sell point is 310. Let me see. $3 below to that point. Next point 310. But look back here though. Previous high is 328. Right? Another point is 315. And then right here you see the magic 308. Yeah, go farther. $3 is resistance point. I'm gonna leave it there. I said the target is 419 on Neuro. It's in the group. I said $8 possibly on CRIS. Hit 790. 262. I said breakout point on LXRX. It popped through it for a price of 272, and now made that level support now. Ears. I'll tell you, look for ears. They're gonna move straight up. And I'm gonna sell my ears actually at let me see, 310, 310. Depending on what the market does. There we go. Breakthrough $3. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There go 3. Yeah, we're going past 310, so I'm gonna leave it where I got it at for right now. I'm gonna put it at yeah, I'm gonna put 310. Don't be greedy, right? We put it at 310. All right. So I'm gonna go in the group and say ears looking for a 310 sell point. So it's there. I told you guys it's there. All right, where we at? Back to my cell phone while I'm watching the market. And you doing the same thing I'm doing, obviously. I see you, Latanya. Get some of that money. Nice seeing you again. You've been in sleep mode for a little bit. No, I see you. I see your videos. I watch them all. Support. Support Forever Fitness on YouTube. Support. You ain't supporting, you're not important. You know what I mean? OGI. ERIC. Yep. Ericsson Energy. Like it. Nokia. Yep. Like it. OGI. Yep. Like it. Hey, I'm going to comment on it right quick, man. Be careful these stocks will have 5 symbols. So I'm going to tell you, be careful of tickers with 5 letters. Dangerous game, brother. Dangerous game. You new, so you don't know any better, but that's a dangerous game. We're going to square you away, brother. Hey, you pointing in the right direction. We got going on right here. I'm on my cell phone. I'm watching too closely what's going on the screen because I trust the process. Remember I said earlier, my sell point is 419. Let's go verify that. Right here, new rows. Bullish counter right now, looking possible 419. Right? Look here. We have 412. Actually, it popped 419. Look. That's actually 426. I wasn't looking. Which means I got money in my account. Let me go screenshot this as well. Yep, I did sell. So I'm gonna sell my ears in a second. And I'm called it a day. How about that? I'm gonna call it a day, y'all. So here we are. The time on deck is 10:04. I'm calling it a day in both accounts. So let me get out my ears trade right quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast. So here we are. I made Highland, HYLN, overnight hold, FCell, overnight hold. Today I traded Neuro and URO, traded ears, traded CRIS 3 or 4 times, forgot the number, and CGIX once. Look at that right there. I could have held a little while longer, but I'm okay. I'm caught in the day. So, final numbers. So, final numbers on the day, I have a profit. Pretty good, nice ass profit actually. You see that point? It's way past where we at. Way past that. So, final number on the day is going to be, let me look right quick at this, put in the group, and I'm going to count it up at the same time. No red trades. That's what you want to see. No red trades. All right. So, let me go to the calculator. Come on, calculator. Open up. There you go. All right. So, here to here, 82. Here, 14. Here, 26. Here, 14 2. And here, 6. So, It's now 10:07:25. I'm done for the day. Final numbers are right here. Trades are right here. Trades are also on video. And you see as well what I called. I said 310. Look at that. 311. See that line right there? And I'm going to go over here and say as well that ears pop 310. Now, I'm doing exactly what I'm putting in the group. Nothing more, nothing less. With that being said, look over here at this LXRX and look right here. Right? I'm doing exactly what I put in the group. Right? One trade away.